Therefore lift your drooping hands and strengthen your weak knees, and make straight paths for your feet. Hebrews 12:12-13. Reflection for the day. Hebrews 12:12-13 provides a powerful exhortation to believers, urging them to strengthen themselves and make their paths straight. This passage speaks to the necessity of spiritual renewal and perseverance in the face of challenges. The metaphor of strengthening hands which hang down and feeble knees suggests a call to action, encouraging believers to rise above weariness and discouragement. This imagery aligns with Isaiah 35:3-4, where the prophet encourages the weak and fearful to find strength and confidence in God's promises. The call to make straight paths for your feet echoes Proverbs 4:26-27, which advises careful attention to one's path to avoid stumbling. In a practical sense, this passage reminds believers of their responsibility to pursue personal holiness and righteousness, thereby ensuring their actions and decisions align with God's will. It underscores the importance of perseverance, not only for personal growth, but also for the benefit of the broader Christian community. By focusing on spiritual renewal and aligning one's life with God's principles, believers can overcome challenges and support one another in their faith journey. This communal aspect of encouragement and support is vital for maintaining spiritual health and advancing collectively towards God's purposes. For continued reflection and community engagement, follow and share our posts on Facebook at Christbearer Ministries, Instagram at instagram.com, ChristBearer77, and our YouTube channel, ChristBearer6003. Image by Real Love Photography, bearerorchrist.org. Have a blessed day from Christbearer Ministries.